So this is how to remove unwanted files from your Android smartphone. If you look down here, you see that this is a new file that was created for me 5 minutes ago. This file is coming from WhatsApp, but I don't know which part of WhatsApp, which of the groups or whoever has sent this, because I didn't even engage with it. So if you open it further, you see other ones. These are other ones that I don't even know where they are coming from. Alright, I've not seen a lot of these people, but the moment you are in the group that can send and receive files, your app or the Android system will automatically create copies of each of these apps, each of these files for you. And these files, even though they are small, they accumulate over time, and then they take up very sizable space of your Android device. So if you scroll down, you see it's the same thing. Now you need this app to help you clear these files, to help you remove these junk files that are taking up your space. So to get this app, you need to go to your browser and go to Google. This app is not on the Android Play Store. It has been removed. It used to be there, but it has been removed. So you just come here and you type ES File Explorer, and this is the file you want to download. So you go to the first link and you just download the latest version of this file, and then you install it. So I already have it installed. I'm just going to show you how this works. So this is the interface you are going to get, and it's going to capture everything you have stored both on the SD card and on the internal storage. So from here you can see that my internal storage is low, so I need to analyze it. So I click on it, and then I come to this 3 dots right here, and then I click on it, and then I come to File Analyzer, and then I click on File Analyzer. So it's going to analyze all the files that are taking up the spaces or the space inside the internal storage. So it's going to grade them or categorize them based on the sizes of these files. So currently these are all the files, and you can find the folders right here. If you come down, you can see these files were recently created. These files were recently created even without me knowing what they are. So if I click on the details, you see that in the last 7 days, these files were created, and these are not even readable files for me. So I can delete any of those files there. If you come down, you see junk files, you see large files. These are basically trash. Alright, so if you come to the top where it has outlined all the files for you, all the files here on Android, so you click details, you are going to see a breakdown of the apps. So any app that you can use to either download something or to send pictures or to receive anything at all, like your social media apps, they are going to create these duplicates for you. So I use WhatsApp a lot, and you can see WhatsApp ranks number 3 as the consuming chief right here. So you can see other files that are taking up your space, and a lot of these files are actually copy files, because you still have the main files in your phone, but these ones are just duplicate files that take up your space. So if I open this WhatsApp and then I go to database, you see that this database just sits here, and I may not need it, but it keeps taking up my memory space. If I go to the media, I can find them WhatsApp voice notes, and this one is insane because all these voice notes, I don't even know where they are coming from. These are basically from WhatsApp groups of people having discussions. They don't even know that I still have these files because I'm in these groups. So when people talk or engage, whether interact or not, the moment these files have been sent into that group, it's going to create copies for me. So if I open it, you see that these are all files that I can just mark and delete them. So I can just delete all of these ones and then it goes. So it's the same thing with the WhatsApp videos and the WhatsApp business images. If you come to links, you see what you have here. Although these files they are small, but you can see this one is already 131 kilobytes, and it's not useful to you. You can see you already have more than 10 of them, and they keep increasing and increasing and increasing. It's the same thing across all the other apps that you are going to use. So all you have to do is click on them, and then you can delete them. These are images that I still have, but you can see these ones are in kilobytes because they are copies. I don't need them. I can just delete them. So this is how you use this app to find files that are unnecessary files, useless files that are taking up your space, and then you can just delete them. So let me just delete this one and show you exactly what I am talking about. So these ones you can just mark them and just say maybe you want to mark all at the same time, and you just hit delete. Since these files are not really necessary for you again, you can click move. You can uncheck moving it to the recycle bin, because if you move it to the recycle bin, it will still be there until you go and delete it, or until after 30 days. If you think that these files can be important to you, you can just view each of these files, go through them, select the ones you don't want to delete, and then you move on. As you can see, this is a sticker. I don't even know where the sticker is coming from, but it's already taking 43 kilobytes here. And this is what is going to keep happening across the different apps that you use, and it takes up your space. So download this app, analyze your files, and then remove all the unnecessary files you don't need, and create space so that your phone can run smoothly and you have more space. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would want to, and bye bye.